Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to download and install Creo 7.0 student version in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser, type Creo student version download. Open the first link. Here you have to fill the details. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com, confirm email abc@gmail.com, country India, describe you college or university student, enter your mobile number 999888, job title student, then click on submit. Here you will find various versions. Just select on Creo 7.0. After that, this PDF will open. In this PDF, you will find the details how to install the software, downloading link, licensing key. So click on the downloading link. If you get such type of error, just click on continue to site. This page will open. Here we have to give username and password, but right now we don't have, so we have to create new education account. Just click on it. Enter your details. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com. Parent email ID is not required, so leave it blank. Education program, select anyone. Title, college or university student. Your school name. State and province, select anyone. Then select your country. Type your password and confirm your password. In security challenge, we have to type only underlined numbers. Here 328. Then create account. Now go to main page. Type your username and password. Then login. This export agreement page will open. Just click the checkbox. Then click on continue button. Here you will find the Creo 7.0 download link. Just click on HTTPS hyperlink. After that, this window will pop up. Just save it. Now the downloading will start it. Now go to the respective downloaded folder. Extract zip file using WinRAR. Before installing the software, we have to disable the antivirus. For that, go to Windows Security, Threat and Protection, Manage Setting, turn off the all options. Now go to unzip folder, find the setup file, right click on run as administration, install a new software, next, accept the agreement, next. Here we have to enter the licensing key, so copy from the PDF. Here we have to type education, account details, username and password. Now it's processing. Now it's success. Click on next button. Select required applications. I am selecting here only Creo Parametric and Creo Thumbnail Viewer. Click on install button. Now installation is processing. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Now installation is finished. Click on finish button. Before start software, just restart your system. Now double click on icon. The software is running. Close this. Now you can see the software is successfully installed. Now we are testing this software by creating some models. If you want to learn how to create 3D models and 3D assemblies, so stay tuned with us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.